Preparing your home for winter. During periods of winter weather, your pipes can freeze. This can cause a burst pipe, which can seriously damage your property. You can prevent your pipes from freezing by leaving your heating on a low setting at all times, if you can, during periods of severe winter weather. If you're going away during the winter, you should leave your heating on low, if you can, to protect your property from damage. You can also let us know and we will come and drain your heating system to give you peace of mind. Just call our repairs service center on 01738 476 000, option 1, to let us know you will be away. What to do if your pipes freeze this winter? If pipes which are part of the hot water system freeze, turn off or extinguish the source of heat, like your immersion heater, gas boiler or coal-fired back boiler. Turn off the supply of water at the stop valve. Before trying to thaw the pipe, remove or protect anything which might be damaged if the pipe bursts. Finally, gently heat the frozen section of the pipe using a fan heater, hairdryer, hot water bottle or heated cloths, wrapped round the pipe. What to do if your pipes burst? Turn off the water at the main stop valve in the property. Turn on the taps to empty all pipes. Switch off the boiler and the water heating systems. If you use a back boiler, you should extinguish any coal fire. Turn off the electrical supply. Electricity and water are a bad combination. Contact the repairs center immediately. Warn neighbors if they are likely to be affected. If water is coming through the ceiling, collect it in buckets or containers and move items that are likely to be damaged.